ल The next game.
के दिन भयो नेपाली बोर्ड हामीले दिने हैन
Yeah. We will write but you spell, okay? ल Next.
आइतबार
Aitabar.
या
Dictate me, I will write. A.
Alai akar A.
Alai akar A.
I.
E. Like this.
No.
Like this.
I. Ta. Ta.
Like this.
Yes.
To.
Balai akar Ba.
Akar Ba.
Balai akar Ba.
Akar.
Ra.
Ro.
Yes, right.
Aitabara.
Yes, right. आइतबार इको बाती रे
That's why I ask you, Ref.
यहाँ लेख्दै हुन्छ मैले भन्दैछु अनि हेरेर तुरन्त
Now our score is 2.1. 2.5.
मैले यहाँ भन्दैछु मिसेस मैले रेप नो भनेको छैन क्या मैले
Next. Now, okay. Give now. You people give up first. Yeah.
Tao. Tao.
Tao.
Tao. Do you know what is the meaning of bahay?
Okay.
Bahay.
Bahay.
Bahay means house.
Bahay.
Bahay. Bahay.
Bahay.
Bhay. Bahay. Now
H-A-Y, hi. Before then you say
Bahay. Bahay.
Bahay, yes.
Yeah. Now Tao. Tao.
Tao.
Tao.
मिसेसले नै यहाँ लेख्नुपर्छ
Tao. Tao means people. Tao. Let's spell Tao.
Tao. Tao.
Right, right.
Spelling how?
Spell the word Tao.
Yeah, spell the word Tao.
T-A-H-O. Tao. O-H-O.
Net. Tao.
W.
No. Tao spell.
T-A-H-O.
No.
Tao.
Tao.
O. O-H-O.
Tao. No.
T-A-O-H-O.
No.
Tao.
how many times you tell
हजुरलाई परमै थाहा हुन्थ्यो नेपाली फिलिपिन्सको भयो
Tao. Spell Tao.
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 O-H-O.
I will not tell. Wrong.
O.
Tao.
O-H-O कि
T-A. What? What you said? T-A-O. And you?
T-A-O-H-O.
Check T-A-O. Tao.
T-A-O Tao.
Yeah, very. You make yourself difficult game. Just
Simple.
yeah, very simple.
I mix
You made it.
Yeah.
Yeah, you are right.
T-A-O Tao.
Yeah.
Yeah, 1 point, eh?
Yeah, you have 1 point.
So minor mistake we did. Give me.
Yeah.
Okay.
Now my turn.
Now I will give so hard now this time. Wait.
I will-
School. Write down school.
School.
Yeah.
I think they know.
No, don't say school. Write down school.
I will tell me. I will tell. Dictate.
We will not dictate you.
She will dictate me. I'm here. Kiri. Dictate na. Kyo. Banana. 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 Mo lekso ani tapay
Mana?
Banana. Banana. Ra. Ani. Ke. Banana. Banana. Kunra. Sa? Kung sa?
Siguro kasi ko sa amin daw ang dami ko na. Pasay mo na.
You put that wrong.
Bisay mo na.
Italy ko sa?
No, kino?
Now
School?
let's change it one. Tick tick five over one.
Italy
Why
ko
did you have
No,
no?
no, no, no. School. School?
Wow,
School,
wow, wow.
school.
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 Yes. Wow, 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 wow.
Spell na. Spell. Wala na cute yun. Cute yun.
Yeah, you have. He has to be on your husband. So beloved on the my school for the there, no? La, adda saw ni pula.
I told you, I asked you.
Rook hani say.
Isari O-E.
Adda saw. No, this one okay. Adda saw. Saw. This
Yeah,
one is.
yeah, others.
Yeah, adda saw.
Cool.
Adda be on used to be like E hani adda saw. What's your
Maya ba? Ano kaya ito? Yes.
Balik na lang kasi
Tolong pesan apa?
Tolong pesan, Nana.
Kita apple ni. Ramai. Langsung ni apple
Lang,
ni.
lang.
Jalan lah.
Maya ba?
Tu ramai lah. Jalan ni.
Lang.
No, no.
You have to dictate because she has to dictate me, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So that I can know.
Next time.
Next.
Next lah. Next
La.
first.
Bangkok.
Tango.
Bangkok.
B-A-N-K-O.
Bangkok means chair.
B-A-N-K-O.
Huh?
B-A-N-K-O.
No. No.
Wrong.
Bangkok.
Tick one.
So you that
Bangkok.
B-A-N-G-K-O. Bangko.
Am I right? Okay?
B-A-N-G-K-O.
Yeah, you're right.
B-A-N-G?
Very easy. Yeah, our spelling is very easy. Bangkok. Bangkok means Bangkok means
Land.
Here.
Chair.
yeah. Tao means
Tao means?
Tao means
I forgot.
Tao means
Different.
yeah.
And then kari ke that one ke kiri O ke last O aatu ne.
Nabaya ba?
Pusa means pusa.
Pusa means?
Pusa means
Pusa means pusa.
pusa. Cat.
Cat.
Pusa or cat?
Yeah, pusa.
Nabaya ba?
La.
The next.
O'clock ka.
Your turn.
Oh, you have to dictate me.
Yeah.
Dictate.
Abhismaran. La okay right.
La, very difficult. Very difficult. Only you.
La right on.
What?
Naman I will get it.
Abhismaran. Exactly malam ini orang tu. Malam ini orang tu. Let me see. Abhi to killing.
Abhismaran.
Atas orang tu kan.
Aina ba na? No.
Kadiri kitchen मेरो मुट्टा किच पारेगा.
The Maya. Abhismaran.
Alai akar a.
हैन अविश आदसा हुन्छ.
La, spell. You spell.
Abhismaran.
अब 20 भनेपछि आधा 100 हुन्छ कि 20 भनेपछि 100 आधा आयो नि त. आधा 100
यो हो क्या यस्तो
नत्र त अबिस मरण भयो नि त. आधा 100 हुन्छ कि अबिस गर्दा आधा 100.
Abhismaran.
जानु आधा माथि थपेर जा.
म थपेको हो नि त. होइन कि She is lying.
I'm not lying, right?
You always cheating me.
No, I'm not.
Asa is a cheater.
Next.
Now our turn. Give us the one more.
La. Muaddo.
What?
Muaddo. Muaddo.
Which word it will come is first word and which middle one? Okay, which word?
Which one?
This you are first you spell this word. Okay?
Moanto.
And then
And why you have to ask me?
start from and
Moanto.
Start from and
No, I will not tell. Oh, I will not tell.
Start from and, right?
I don't know.
Next time we will say like this. I don't know.
I will not tell.
Next time we will also say I
If
don't
I
know.
will give clue, then you can immediately. Moanto.
Muhaddu.
Moanto means Nepali.
M-U.
Moanto.
H-A.
No.
H-A. Ha. H-A. Ha.
No. Moaddo.
You are go.
Moaddo.
Ah.
Moad. Ad.
Mu. A. M-U.
Moad.
Mu ki mu.
Moaddo.
Mu.
Moaddo.
M-O. M-O, right? Mu.
No.
M-U-A-D-S-A-O.
No.
M-O. No, no, I'm trying.
Moaddo. Spell na.
Mu. Mu. M-O. Mu.
M-U-W.
Ah.
Wala ni.
Ah. Do. I think so.
No, wrong.
Muado. Muado.
Moaddo.
That is muado.
Moaddo. Mo.
M-O or M-U?
Mo.
Mo.
Just listen my o. Mo. Ad. To.
To. Means steal. To.
Mo. Ad.
A. D पनि आउँछ
Mo. Ad. To.
Not पनि आउँछ. M-O. Mu. Ad. A-D-H. T-O.
No, wrong.
I think
Very easy, but you make it very.
M-O-A-D-S-A-O.
No.
Do.
Mo. Ad.
Ad means A-D. M-O-A-D-T-O.
M-O.
Mo. A-D.
M-O-A-D-S-A-O.
You're right, Moaddo.
Yeah. First time.
M-O-A-D-Mo. M-O. Mo.
Oh, yeah.
A-D. Ad.
T-O.
Ad.
To.
T-Ad.
Yeah, right. T-O.
No, no H.
Yeah.
No H.
Yeah.
Wala.
M-O-A-D-T-O.
Una vez
Right? Last of all. Last. M-O-A-D-T-O. Yeah, right.
The next.
Now you, for you. Namaskar.
Namaskar.
Yeah.
Sa adisa.
भयो यो होइन
Ka. Kalai karka. Kalai akarka. Kalai akarka. Namaskar.
नेक्स्ट टाइम
Na भयो अब. Finish.
न नेक्स्ट डे पाहा
4 बजिसक्यो म
रकबोर्ड बोलेको
बोल्दै होइन 4 बजिसक्यो
रकबोर्ड बोलेको
4 बजिसक्यो
बोलेको
भनेको मैले आमा भनेको
हो हुन्छ आएको आने होइन
What is Amma?
द्याट वान इज द
What is Ma?
Now our turn.
Huh? What is Sally?
Karen is calling.
रकबोर्ड के द्याट इज बोल्जर बोर्ड
ए भैया Japan.
Ma? Masale.
Masale.
What is
I
Masale?
will say not Masale.
बोल्जर बोर्ड के रकबोर्ड हो के
She is lying.
Yeah, dirty word, but what is the meaning? What is the translation?
somehow that sector
Eh.
No, miss.
oh
Miss.
this is the रकबोर्ड मा चाहिँ
होइन
के हुँदैन न
बुझेको हो साले मासले
माछाको रकबोर्ड होइन
होइन
रकबोर्ड हो कि रकबोर्ड बोल्जर बोर्ड मा गर्नु फेरि रकबोर्ड हजुरै थाहा नै रहेछ अहिले being so innocent, right?
Yeah.
I am always innocent.
Ulala, ulala.
Ulala, ulala. भयो अब
God is gonna do TikTok one time and I go.
Bila okay lah, content. Lah, बनाउन एउटा भिडियो पर्ने
Off na. How many minutes?